Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a stuffed omelette, my version of it. Let's start. In goes some salt, basic seasoning, and a little bit of white pepper. So first I'm going to take some butter and put it in the pan. Let the butter melt. Once my butter is melted, I'm going to throw in onions. Coat them nicely with the butter. Once that has happened, you add in garlic. Chopped onions. You don't want to brown the garlic, just toss it slightly. Again, chopped mushrooms. After the mushrooms, I'm going to increase the heat a little bit so it cooks a little faster but not too high. So if you're using the induction, add another point. So by now the butter has been absorbed by the onion, garlic and mushrooms. So I'm going to just drizzle just a little bit of olive oil. I'm adding some chopped boiled chicken. Just going to toss it around. I've reduced the heat to 1 point, like really low heat. Just mixing it so that it mixes with the garlic and gets some of that flavor. So remember we put 4 eggs in the bowl. Now I'm just going to whisk them. This mixture that we made, I'm going to put this in my whisked eggs. With my heat on, I've coated the pan with olive oil. I'm just going to pour my mixture in it. And now what you do is add chopped green chilies on top. Now I'm just going to add some cheese on top, grated cheddar, just enough cheese so it kind of neutralizes the chilies that I put in. So guys, another thing is that what you can do is, actually what you should do is basically cover your pan so that with the steam, the top of the egg cooks and the cheese melts evenly without burning the bottom bit. I don't have a lid right now, so I'm going to use a pan just to cover it up. You can put a plate or whatever you have, but it's important to do that. This, just let it on the lowest flame, let it simmer for about 4.5 to 5 minutes, just let it cook. So as usual, I let my omelette rest for about 30 odd seconds. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do try it at home. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites. I'm Chef Pranav and I bid you a good day. See you in another fun episode with another fun recipe. Till then, have a great day. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making basic cheese omelette. I'm going to make my omelette with 3 eggs because the more the merrier. Some salt, just basic seasoning. If you want, you can add herbs, green chilies, and this is some white pepper. And now, grated cheddar. I'm just going to mix some in it and some I'll put when the omelette is being cooked. There'll be double cheese. You beat the eggs nicely. Some olive oil in the pan. Let the oil heat a little bit in the pan for about half a minute on medium-high flame. And I'm going to pour my egg mixture. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add some cheese on top as well so it melts in with the egg. If you're adding a lot of cheese, make sure you don't put a lot of salt because cheese itself has salt and then your omelette will end up being extra salty and you don't want that. As you can see, I've used a little deep dish so that the omelette gets a little thick and fluffy. Cook this for maximum 5 minutes. You'll see it. Once the bottom is cooking and the layer on top gets nicely cooked and the cheese melts. I've switched off the heat and now I'm just going to let it rest for about half a minute to 45 seconds so that it cooks through. It already has at the bottom, just letting the cheese properly melt on top and it being just slightly runny on the top as a classic French omelette. As you can see, it's slightly runny but not raw. The cheese has blended in with the egg just fine. The classic cheese omelette, as you can see, it's got a nice toasted color, the perfect breakfast and a good consistency. It's nice and fluffy as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another fun recipe. Till then, you take care. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a yogurt dip. It's a very simple process, so I don't want to waste any more time talking. Let's just get straight to making this yogurt dip. First, open a box of yogurt. Now I'm just going to churn this around so it becomes smooth. So you can pass this through a sieve as well, but if you really want to save time, then just do what I'm doing. So this will literally take 3 minutes to make. Now in goes some ginger garlic paste. Now I will put in just a little bit of mustard, so very little. And the seasoning, very important. All of that is going in it. Some chili paste. So you can add as much as spice that you can handle. And add some more spice to it, some Tabasco. Salt. Some white pepper. Now I'm just going to mix all of this together. Yep, and you can serve this with some chips. Perfect party dip, very easy to make and absolutely delicious. So guys, make sure you try this easy dip at home. It is really simple as you've seen. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. Hi guys and welcome to Desi Bites. Today is a really exciting day because I'm going to make my favorite dish in the whole world, which is dim sums. Chicken dim sums first, minced chicken in a bowl, so we use all of it. Chopped onions, spring onion, a little bit of ginger, chopped ginger, very generous amount of garlic, some salt, black pepper, and sugar. So these three are basic ingredients whenever you want to cook Chinese food: sugar, pepper and salt. Now move on, add a little bit of oil, vinegar and soy sauce. And just mix all of this. Now what you need is a dim sum basket, a pot of water and some butter paper cut to size so that it can fit inside the basket. Otherwise your dim sums would stick to it. So you can even use a banana leaf, or if you want you can use butter paper. So you want to make some holes in this for the steam to pass through. When you put the butter paper, you have to make sure that the shiny side is up and the dull side is at the bottom. So first what you should do is just get your water boiling while you make your dim sums. So these are dim sum sheets that you can buy in the market. It's easier than making your own batter and making your own sheets at home. Make sure you have a bowl of water ready, so that will help you seal the dim sums. Now, so that there's less skin involved. Please don't be stressed out about your shape, it's okay. There's no such rule that it has to be a certain way. You can make whatever shape you want. And then you can just seal the edges with water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make each one a different shape. Make one like a candy probably. Just clip off the edges. This is going to be like a little sack. And when you have this on top, you just chop off all that extra bit. So this is steaming. I'm just going to add my dim sums inside. Piecing them in one by one, and there you go. I think there is room for probably one more. Okay, team says one more. Check the time on your watch, give it at least 12 minutes. So it's been 17 minutes now and my dim sums are done. So my shortcut to dim sum sauce is buying sriracha. You could probably do that or use Szechuan. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. Make sure you try the dim sums at home for all you dim sum lovers, momo lovers. Very easy recipe. Do try it. I will see you in another episode. Till then, take care. See you later.